Puerto Rican food is one of my top 5 favorite cuisines of all time, and these absolutely mouth-watering breakfast piononos just gave me another reason why. Let me show you how to make them. Slice ripe plantain into quarters lengthwise. These were way overripe because I didn't cook this when I planned to, so don't be like me. Cook this within 2 days of buying the plantain. Fry the plantain over medium heat until lightly golden brown on both sides. This took about roughly 3 minutes aside. Then fry chopped up thick cut bacon over medium-high heat. Add onions and scallions, minced garlic, a diced plum tomato, and black pepper. Then stir, cook down, and drain off the grease. In retrospect, I should have used a regular muffin tin instead of the jumbo so I didn't have to double up on the plantain, but we live and we learn. Add egg, bacon, cheese, this is cheddar jack, more plantain, more bacon, more egg, and more cheese. Bake at 375 for 15 to 20 minutes. Another mistake was being greedy and not letting these set and cool for like 10 minutes before trying to pull them out, but hey, when I tell you this was one of the best things I have ever made, my mama said I needed to make it for Christmas breakfast, and I caught my grandma sneaking another one out the pan. So shout out to my Boricuas, y'all did your big one with this. This is definitely a hit that sticks like grits. Get the full recipe on my newsletter at yardigalcuisine.com.